All right, so Black Friday score, kinda, I guess. Even though the GoPro Hero 13 is now currently out in 2024. I wanted to get a 12 last year. I actually wanted to get, let's see if we can back up here. I was actually looking at getting this set up right here last year, but, well, I didn't. The GoPro Hero 10 that I'm currently using works just fine. So, I wanted to do an unboxing here of this. I did, basically all I did was I just tore this off, pulled this thing out, and unzipped this thing. So, this is kind of what I saw, and you're going to get to see it just as quick as I did. So this is what I seen right away. Information about the camera being updated. This looks like a little floaty stick, or, you know, something that's actually pretty soft if you're going to be videoing yourself, like a selfie stick kind of. It comes with the what do you call this, POV headband right here, go on my head so you can get a different view. Inside here, well, let's just finish getting this out. Inside here we have retainment screw for the clamp. Obviously one goes there. Our charging cable. A second one of these, I'm assuming, is for our POV head mount. And we have two extended life batteries right here. Let's get these out. These are different. The way you can tell these over the standard ones is the standard ones are blue. It's just something that they did as far back as, I guess, the 8s. Let's pull this camera out of here. Right. Oh, that's nice. Figures. Anyone else have that problem? I'm gonna have to clean that with a little Windex. Let's see if this one comes off. Look at that, that one came right off. Let's see if this, nope. We'll have to finish cleaning that screen. All right, now here's for the rear. Oh, look at that. That is pretty. All right, opens the same as my 10. The door actually seems like it wants to stay on a little better. How do these feel? Pretty nice. Looks like there's speakers down under here. Bounce in nice. This does have the removable lens that you can put the lens mod on. This will need updated, it says. So I'll have to get that set up on my own time. This looks like a helmet mount they give you. And let's see what kind of paperwork they give you here quick. This is just going to be a little unboxing. We can do a power up here too. I don't know, some paperwork for, it says lifetime warranty, product questions, get the most out of your GoPro. Basically quick setup guide. So insert battery, insert card, close, how to charge, how to turn on, how to use it. It looks like you give you something you can scan. You do want to download this app, which I already have. They give you some stickers, and they talk about the best way for cold water, cold performance. Very frequent video clips can warm the camera and the battery to extend performance. Alright, and then it's in a couple different languages. Alright, let's throw one of these batteries in. Turn this thing on, just see if it powers up with one of these batteries that's not charged. There we go. Actually, so we're gonna have to go through the setup. Yeah, you always gotta agree to this. Turn your control on your camera using your voice on. Let's close this. So now it's looking for a scan disk card. Battery. 20% life or 10% when connected to power. So I gotta insert both of these before I actually can go any further with this. But it's actually pretty cool. It says GoPro 12 right on the front. Let's see if it does anything else. Can we go back? Oh, it lets me go back. That's all it's going to let me do until I update it. So you do have to update before you use your camera. I'm going to get a battery charge and then I'm going to go through the quick app. But I might add a little bit more to the end of this video. But this just was a pretty quick little unboxing here. Kind of curious to get to try out this head mount. I think I do have one of these. I never really used them too much, but we'll be able to mount our camera up with something that actually says GoPro on our head. And then here will be this one. Let's see which way this slides in here. Yes. Alright, that's it. Alright, so I'm actually going to pair this thing. I'm just going to Hero Black. I'm just going to put 1224. Okay, that way I know what year, save name. Just going to update it, I guess. That's all it needs done. Let's see here. Continue. Join. Little update, just about general bug and fixes. Let's see. Downloading there. All right, it's done updating. Went through a bunch of stuff. Turned on, turn off. This turned to showing my video here first, which you can see it's picking up stuff on the camera. It just says stuff's up to go. I'm just going to do that later. Alright, so you can do a bunch of different stuff through here. Standard video quality. So we got it turned on. Let's just turn it off. Check out your media. Swipe up to see. Ooh. So we can download it now. All right, let's see what else. Why can't I? Should be able to connect to this. With live stream through there. There's some videos on there from before. Media. Got it. Okay. So this is all we videoed basically. Video quality. So we got it turned on. So I mean, that was pretty cool. I guess you can bring it in here and you can edit stuff. I usually don't do that. I'm gonna try looking into doing some more different things. I was hoping that you could actually see what you're looking at, so you didn't have to use this as a remote like that. Okay, it's my Hero 10, my 8, and my 12 on here. Huh. It's a pretty loud beep. Let's turn off the camera. All right, up to date, ready to go. Actually pretty cool. Let's just power this on so you can actually see. So we got video quality here. It picked right back up since I had that open. Normally swipe up. Okay, that's our videos. Swipe down. Can adjust everything. Keeps off, slow. I usually like to turn that tone down. Paired, preferences, controls, bunch of different stuff. Voice control on and off. Let's make sure date and time. Yep. 12/12. Yep, 12/12/24. We are on. All right, well, we're just gonna go back to this. Check it out there. Looks like you can see here. See? There's our camera. So, all right. Pretty excited to try this thing out.